These were games back then. Slow, simple, chill. And if needed, we just hit the pause button. These are games now. Fast-paced, complex, professional, and no pause button. When do these people even eat? They don't. Because if you bite, you die. Bite, die.
Oh my God!
Bite, die.
No!
See? So Heinz teamed up with Call of Duty, the #1 game in the world, to figure out the best spots to snack safely on their brand new map, and leaked it to top influencers from around the world. Using burger wraps. This is Heinz Hidden Spots.
Now this is hidden.
I'm gonna kick back and dig into my burger.
Perfect spot. We got the nice view. We can eat our burger in peace. No one will find us here.
Who would think to find us over here?
O negócio que envolve o lanche aqui é o mapa, velho.
Pegar un mordisco a mi hamburguesa.
Effectuer ce kill si je n'avais pas eu mon ketchup Heinz.
Heinz ketchup is giving us energy.
Hidden spot, eat a chip.
In only a few hours, the gaming community got hungry for more, and hundreds of spots were mapped out organically, not only in Call of Duty's new map, but also in other blockbuster games.
It's the most secret spot on the map. You can actually enter these waters.
Espérate, tengo que morder mi hamburguesa en el hidden spot.
¡Hala! ¡Teníamos!
Faster Heinz, soldier.
Hunger terminated.
Mission accomplished, soldier.
Heinz Hidden Spots. Eat burgers, not bullets.